Jesus! Jesus! So what did you say I should do?
Deba, see, as a legal luminary, you cannot just come and just marry this girl like that. You have to put her to test. Put her to test.
Is it that is the problem I have with village people? Your mentality is so sarcastic that I cannot even comprehend. How can I begin to test again that I'm already testing from the other angle?
Man, it seems you don't understand these girls. It's not by your grammar. It's not by sarcastic and sarcasm. It's by knowing the actual person you want to get married. In our marriage, or the date. If you have tested out from the other angle, test out from another different angle. You know what I'm telling you?
Okay. I think I will concur with your intellectual competency, looking at you as, and you know, you have this idealistic ideology. No problem. No problem. So
my problem with you is you always speak English when you're supposed to do the right thing. You know the right thing, you keep speaking grammar. All this grammar will not help.
That is the power of intellectuality. I spent 7 years in Kampala University, Uganda, to acquire knowledge. So who is human being that I cannot study in a different?
Deba, the reason why I am telling you all these things, I know women, no, they can be very, very useless. They can be useless. And you know what is happening now? They might like you because you are wearing white and you are a lawyer.
Really, nigga?
So you better put her to test. You better put her to test so that you know who you are going to marry. This is marriage. The person you are going to spend the rest of your life with.
Continue.
It's not by you speaking grammar, legal diction, and all those your hula baloo languages. It's not going to help us.
Haven't reversed back to my medulla oblongata. I think it's a student. I trias the case you have just suggested.
You are my friend.
A few moments later.
So I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Well,
I told you that this place is the best place to enjoy yourself.
It's really the best place to, enjoy
enjoyed it, right?
Yeah, I sure
The
did.
chicken?
It was so delicious. It was so delicious.
I love you so much.
When next are you bringing me here? When next are you bringing me here?
Anytime you wish it, I will.
Jesus! Jesus! God have mercy upon us. And they never leave. They have left you. We must learn a lesson.